Bad breath remedies to use at home. Having bad breath will create many problems for anybody in life. If you have bad breath, there are various things in life that you will probably not enjoy, like close contact with a loved one and even the taste of your food. Bad breath remedies are obtainable for those who would like to cure their chronic bad breath, and if you are one of those people who either cannot afford to see a physician or reject to visit a doctor about some bad breath, here are some bad breath remedies that you may want to use at home to assist you cure your bad breath. Brushing and flossing. Apparently, the major of the bad breath remedies is to take good care of your teeth. If you are not able to take good care of your teeth, subsequently you most likely will not really wish to heal your bad breath, since that is the number one reason of bad breath anyplace. When you fancy trying out some bad breath remedies, please ensure that you begin with the apparent thing and taking good care of your teeth. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado is probably not known much of the bad breath remedies. Having avocado will facilitate most people to relieve the chronic bad breath that ails them and everyone around them, but not eating too much avocado. It is not hard to get rid of bad breath with avocado, and it is easily found in the produce aisle of any grocery store in your local community. Number 2. Cut protein intake. Proteins are one of the problems if chronic bad breath is in question. Consume less steak and chicken and fresher fruits and vegetables, and you will certainly notice an increase in the number of people that are coming close to you. This is one of the most accepted bad breath home remedies out there, and if you eat suitably, then you will make sure that you reduce your bad breath. Number 3. Drink enough water. When you drink enough water, you will simply cure your bad breath if it is not some more complex health problem. Having a dry mouth will escort to bad breath, and of the more common bad breath remedies, water is one of the biggest ones. You should drink water out of a glass or eat fruits and vegetables, as they are packed with the water, and that is a good one of the many bad breath remedies.